how to add categories on your WordPress website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add categories on your WordPress website. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is open up your WordPress website and you have to open up the dashboard. Now, this is the dashboard for one of my demo websites and I'll show you how to add categories. Now, we can add different categories for our different posts and different products that we create on WordPress. And it's really easy to do. Once you are on your dashboard, you will get this menu right here. So here you will find post right here, which is almost like number one option that we're getting. So in post, you will get sub options and we have categories at number 3. So you have to click on categories and it will allow you to add different categories to your WordPress website. Now, adding a category is really easy. What you have to do is you just have to give your category a name. So for now, I'm going to call it test. Then we can add a slug. Slug is the URL friendly version of the name. So again, let's just call it test. Now we can select a parent category if you have any. So this tells us that we can create categories and then subcategories on WordPress. So for now, I'm not going to select any parent category for this one right here. And what happens is we can create parent categories such as we can say technology, and then technology can have all of our technology related posts. Then we have to enter a description. So for description, what we can do is we can simply go ahead and add any description. So for now, I'm going to write the word description. Now we have FAQ schema. So if you want to add an FAQ, you can just go ahead and do that as well if you like, and you can add a question and answer. But for now, I'm not going to add FAQs to my category and we'll just, cancel this one. Click on add new category and a new category will be created on WordPress. So you can see right here, this is the category that I just created, test. Now I can edit it, I can delete it, or I can actually add more information if I want. So this is how you add category on WordPress website. It's super easy to do and now you know how to do that. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.